Welcome back, guys. This is episode 4? No, wait, 5. No, it's episode 4. What's up, guys? Welcome back. All right, it's episode 4 of the Chevrolet C10. This episode you should expect, this getting in epoxy, Chris finishing up the welding on the cab, some filler work, potentially getting the cab in epoxy, and yeah, and then on the next episode we should all test fit everything together and move the process along. So we'll start this off with getting the buck in epoxy, which is what I'll do now. So let's do it, guys. Of epoxy on this. I've still got a few more to go. I'll be doing my third one next, and I'll probably do a few more on the face here, just to build up where we've done some work, so everything's nice and flat and we can sand it back a bit more there. Yeah, it's all gone well, just making sure everything's sealed in, haven't missed anything. Like I said, I'm not done, so I'll go around and make sure I've got all the little bits and bobs all covered in epoxy. But yeah, it's gone nicely. It's a lot of work, a lot of small areas to get into, and it gets very hot in here. So yeah, it can be quite a challenge, but it's going well. So I'll finish up what I'm doing here, I'll bake it, then it's on to the cab.
Okie dokie. Chris has got all the welding and fabrication all sorted, so she's solid and ready. About as perfect a canvas as you can get for bodywork and paintwork sort of prep. So we're getting the underside all wrapped up as we speak, get that done first. And yeah, we're just doing a sort of more factory sort of standard gloss black on this, but it'll still look really, really smart under here. So yeah, Tom's got this all epoxied yesterday, very nice too. Yeah, some grain go there, some grey seam sealer to go on shortly, followed by some black Cobra, and that sort of will wrap up the underside, and we can start getting some panels on and really start putting this thing together, which is incredibly exciting. And we're pretty pumped for it. So an awesome truck. Yeah, client is really excited for it as well. It's been going 10 years in the running, this. job for our client, so not with us. So it's been a long haul for him, but yeah, pick it up and get it done. So that's what we've been doing, and yeah, we're really excited to see it done. So without further ado, you'll probably start seeing this with some black Cobra on it shortly, and yeah, crack on.
So there you go, guys, it's all in under seal right now. This is the bed liner that we've used. It's a nice black, it's nice and shiny, it just looks good really. All went smoothly on that. Not much more to say on that really. I mean, I'll get this unmasked and then I'll be on to getting the outside of the cab and the inside of the cab into epoxy. And I think that is it in terms of epoxying things. We should be on to sanding and then priming and then painting.
We've sacrificed cool air and oxygen to speak to you guys. It's boiling right now. Me and Alf is struggling. But we are on our way to the vault to go and pick up some, basically you have in the Chevrolet, there's sort of dashboard controls. One I think is for the air suspension and the other is some sort of touch screen module thingy-majiggy. So we're off to go and grab them and test fit those, because I've got a little bit of filler work that I've been doing around those sort of surrounds for it. Basically they've sort of had some low spots and things where the previous chap had welded them in to make them fit right, so just cleaning all that up and yeah, on our way to go and grab them. So it'd be nice to drop in and see Alex and see the guys there, see how they're getting on. See you there. Okie dokie, ladies and gentlemen. We are moving on with the C10. And I'm now attached to the microphone. Hello, please remove yourself. Thank you. Yeah, so you guys have seen it now in Cobra underneath. So that's all nice and shiny and black. And looks fantastic. So we're now moving forward with the project and on to seam sealer on the interior that I'm doing now. So that will then be ready once we've got this on. We'll put a bit of primer on here and then basically the inside's then ready to paint. As you guys know, little trip to the vault earlier, so we got back and test fitted there's two control panels that sit in here on the front of the dash. So there's one here and one here. So actually it was quite funny really. This sort of area on the dash here was actually just three sort of knobs. So it wasn't really a face to sit in there, but I'd forgotten what goes in there. So, but it was good that we made the trip anyway, because it's good to be sure of these things. And obviously, if we'd done the filler work and the screen didn't fit and we'd paint everything, it would be a bit of a mess. So, always triple check every single thing first before you start painting things. So yeah, that bit ended up not being really important, but we've got the screen for the top here and that all still fits in lovely and smooth and lush and beautiful. So we're going to just put some more epoxy over the area there where I've done a bit of filler work. That will smooth out a bit and then I'll blend that in and sand it down. And that'll probably be in the next video. So yeah, really, I think it's wrapping up this video with some seam sealing, and that'll wrap up the stage we're at with the C10, and then you guys next will see us working on the outside. So I've got to take the roof back down to bare metal, get rid of all this travel primer, clean up some of the areas, and then basically block it all down, do our filler work, put the doors on, do the same thing. And Bob's your uncle, primer C10, we're not far off. Really, put it all back together, make sure everything is perfect, take it all apart again, and then we can start painting things. So we're like on the brink now, so it's getting exciting. Yeah, it's cold today and wet and miserable. It's a bit dreary, but this is good fun. I like seam sealing, so at least I'm doing something I enjoy. Make us up for the day. But yeah, hope you guys have been enjoying the videos, and hopefully you guys have been enjoying the C10 content. Yeah, enjoy this video. We'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe, and check out our Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and all that sort of stuff. And you'll see lots of shorts and reels and things on there. Yeah, keep up to date on all our projects. So catch you guys soon.